Hello everyone, it's Raisa. Welcome back to Land Design Academy. We've all seen Brazilian pepper or Australian pine taking over a lot, but in Florida, ignoring these plants isn't just bad design, it can actually be a criminal offense. Today, we're going deep into the code to look at Florida Statute 369.251 and why invasive really means illegal. The statute is very clear. You cannot sell, transport, or even possess species like Melaleuca, Brazilian pepper, or Australian pine without a permit. If an inspector finds this on your site survey and there isn't a certified plan to remove them, you're looking at a second-degree misdemeanor. For us as professionals, this is a huge liability. A misdemeanor on your record can trigger an administrative complaint from the DBPR, putting your landscape architecture license in jeopardy. But it's not just about the fines, it's about the long-term commitment. Many counties now follow a 5-VIRA rule. This means you must certify that the site will remain less than 5% invasive for 5 years after the project is finished. You have to specify mechanical removal and exact chemical treatments, like applying herbicides to stumps within minutes of the cut to ensure they don't grow back. The best way to protect your client and your license is to pivot to natives. Swap those prohibited exotics for live oak, needle palm, or muhly grass. They are pre-approved, they thrive in our soil, and most importantly, they are 100% compliant with state law. Have you ever had a project delayed because of an invasive species oversight? I want to hear your stories in the comments. It's how we all learn to stay ahead of the code. If this deep dive helped you, hit that save button and check out my Florida Code playlist for more. I'm Raisa Molina, and I'll see you in the next brief.